Hi everybody. Okay, today I really am so excited to talk all about crystals, my new crazy obsession. I am totally into crystals. I've been learning so many cool things about the healing energies that are within all crystals. I've been studying up on all the different kinds. Today I wanted to share 3 ways that I've been incorporating crystals into my daily routine, my meditation, and even my skincare routine. So I'm really excited to start diving into the exciting topic of crystals. Most all the crystals that I have that I'm going to show you, I have found on Amazon. I will link everything in the description of this video. 3 ways that I've been incorporating crystals into my life is number 1, in my skincare routine, number 2, in my meditation to help align my chakras and to feel more balanced, and the 3rd way is crystal infused water, and I'm going to show you how I do all of this. First, it is very important that you prep your crystals, and there are a few different ways you can do this. First, you can either soak them in salt water for 3 days. I like to do this also, but then the second way you can cleanse your crystals and to prepare them for use is to burn some sage and then allow the smoke to surround the crystals, and it's a way to cleanse the crystal of any negative energies that it may have absorbed. And then ways that you can recharge the energy is to place it in the sun for a day, or even when it's the full moon. I just did this a couple weeks ago when we had the full moon. I put all my crystals out, and that is just one way to recharge the energies that are within all crystals. And I really love these. I found these on Amazon. Again, I'll put the link in the description of this video. But these are really cool because these are all crystals. Each bag is a combination of crystals that help with different things. The blue one is for stress and anxiety. The purple one is for aligning your chakras. And the red one is for love and self-love. So I loved the idea of just gathering up all the crystals that are available. The cool thing is that it comes with a description for each crystal, so it teaches you the meaning and the energy properties for each crystal. Alright, first up is the rose quartz and jade facial. These things are so cool. I just recently was made aware of these awesome rollers. P.S. This is not a sponsored video. These crystal rollers, as part of your facial routine, it can help improve the health of your skin by increasing the circulation. It's a Chinese medical technique, and it just it promotes lymphatic drainage. It can reduce pore size and reduces puffiness. And one thing you can do is place these rollers in the freezer overnight and use them under your eyes, wherever you feel puffiness, and it just feels nice. So the other way that you can use the crystals is to place them on your body during your meditation. So, hey kitty. So it has all the crystals that are helpful in aligning your chakras. And don't you love my chakra towel to go with this? So you can either hold them in your hand while you meditate, or you can lay down, place one on different parts on different chakras, like your heart chakra or your 3rd eye chakra or your throat chakra. And just as you begin to learn about chakras and crystals, you'll kind of start to understand how crystals can be used as part of your meditation. Mostly I like to lay down and put them on different chakras, and other days I just like to hold different ones in my hand, and I will just hold them in the palms of my hands as I meditate. I like to call this my crystal elixir. And you know, crystals and all the amazing healing benefits that we now know of have been used since ancient times. And one thing that I really love about the crystal infused water, which is basically just putting your crystals in water and letting it seep overnight. One thing I really love about this is just the mindfulness around it. I love the ritual of drinking my crystal water. I love how I feel just basically helps me be more in the present moment and be mindful as I drink my crystal elixir, and it's just a fun thing for me, and I really like the idea of it. So there you go, the 3 ways that I have been using crystals.